Hi, I'm Tina Herring, and I am your son or daughter's honors chemistry teacher. And I just wanted to give you guys a video message, kind of, for the midterm and, kind of just to tell you what's going to go on till up until the end of the term. So our distance learning is going to continue to look the same, and I will show you that in just a minute. We have daily folders, weekly folders. And within those folders, there's new learning, and that new learning can be, sometimes I have videos or Google presentations, simulations, lots of different things. And then we also do have a lot of, usually every day, there's some type of formative Schoology check-in, and then sometimes there's other formative assignments too. So let me show you. When you're in the Schoology course, and at the end I will attach instructions if you're interested in being able to see your child's Schoology course. I will have instructions for doing that. But this is what they see. So they would, like last week, they would go into this folder, and then every day when they go into a folder, a lot of times I give a video message or at least something in that I type out. Attendance every day is necessary. There's some kind of new learning, and in that new learning page, when you click in there, there's videos. Some are me and some are not. Kind of a to-do list. And then here's that formative Schoology check-in, and then also if they have questions. So they can also email, and I can do Google Meets if there's anything that they need help with. And I do hold Google Meet kind of drop-in sessions for Q&A. Not every day, but I also do that. So so the learning's going to kind of look the same. Most of the grade, just like it's always been, 80% of the grade is based on summative work. So we do have these last 3 tests that'll go in that category. One of them is going to be broken up between like a multiple choice kind of Schoology test, but then also there'll be another project, kind of like what we did with the gas laws, where your son or daughters made a video presentation of them kind of covering a particular topic that they chose about gases. Late work, so when we get towards the end, June 4th will be that last test date, so then late work would be due by that day. And if at any point students should just email me and tell me when they've completed things, so I can update their grades. And then the very end of the term, June 5th through the 9th, the seniors will already have been done with school. So we'll just be doing some formative activities in the homework category, but we'll be learning about various environmental chemistry topics. So like I said, I will attach those instructions for Schoology, and if you have any questions, please reach out, email my Google phone number, and we can talk. I do try to keep Infinite Campus up to date, so if you're ever wondering, just let me know and I'll let you know whether it is current. So anyways, please let me know anything you need, and then have a wonderful day. Thank you.